Hello, my name is Thomas Pappas with One Source Home Solutions. We've got the claim, one that's handling the claim on the back end of the camera. His name's Chris Kopp. We are here at the property of Jamal's. It's going to be claim number, claim number 150491-6-251115. As you can see, Chris, pan out this way a little bit. You can see I've got, I have outlined where this shingle is going to be and everything. It is currently about 55 degrees. Sun is shining. Flat bar is our choice. Doesn't lift the shingle up very high. We also have a roofing hammer, specifically roofing hatchet, specifically what this is. Got a magnet on it, kind of lift, hit. It's a hammer and push motion. If not, you'll tear up the top of the shingle. It's a hammer and push, and that's what gets under the shingles. So, here we go. Got to be very careful here. Okay, so I want to take a moment here. Okay, none of these are really stuck. So based on the age of the roof, yeah, they're not even stuck. So based on the age of the roof, we got to be super careful now. Okay, so they do have staples in them. I'll show you. Chris, actually, you can see the staple here. I don't know if you can, there you go, perfect. So I'm gonna try to put this in. I've got to get on one side of the staple and kind of work its way up. It's not a traditional nail. I say traditional. It's not what we use today. This was an older system, but we have to get under the nail and kind of work its way up. This one's gonna be a tad bit different, but that's okay. I'm gonna be as very careful as I can, and it automatically pulls through the shingle. Okay, so kind of like that. You got to kind of twist it out of there. That first one went through and through though. And what I'm trying to do is at an angle, I'm trying to get under it like this. Since it's not a traditional nail, I can't do it like this. I've got to get under here kind of sideways and then pull that staple out like this. That's what I'm doing under here. This roof is a 12-12 pitch. This is the safest way we can do this here with Chris on the ridge. That original one. Again, trying to be very careful. I don't want to lift them up too high. I've been doing this for a little over a decade, so I kind of know where to grab it. Trying not to get a through and through because it makes just a, it basically when it gets the through and through it, it's more than a hole. The through and through actually will rip it. So then I got a line in the shingle with a rip in it. the old, in with the new. Never chase it. Okay, get my balance here. Oh, my knees. All the granules, you hear it? All right, so there's our old one. You can hardly see any of the tars any good anymore. It's there a little bit, but it is flat. It's not sticky. All right, Chris, sit right here. We've already got the claim number calling out. All right, so this one right here. All right, we've got a break in it right here. Let me see that. Right there. Let me get this shingle up. See it? Right there. Okay. We got a crease here. I don't need these. Break here. Same thing here. And I was as careful as could be. You can tell that's going to run all the way across there. That's a little bitty fine right there. See it? Right there. There you go. Okay, that's Chris Cott behind the camera. I'm Thomas Pappas. If we can help any further. I was as careful as I could be. Even nailing them back, I should be able to get my hand under there. That's a good. Try to, you know, limit the way I'm pulling it up. I just forgot the word to it. But, give us a call. Let us know. I hope the close-ups were pretty good for you. I've got a tear here. You know, there's a tear here, tear here. The creases, another tear. So we've got one shingle in, damaging the rest of them. I was as careful as I could be, limiting how I'm picking them up. That's what I was looking for. Okay.